How to connect Klarna to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, from which you need to scroll down to the additional payment methods and click on add payment method. Using the search bar, search for Klarna, then click on it. And as you can see, it tells us that there are 3 providers offering this payment method. Choose any one of them. They basically all work the same way. I'm going to go with Klarna itself and click on activate next to it. You will be brought to this information section or page, from which you will find some information about Klarna and stuff, and you can even learn more by visiting their website. But you will scroll down to the account status section and click on the green button that says connect at the bottom right. And what this will do is it will install the Klarna app on your shop but not activate it yet. In order for you to activate the Klarna app after you install it, is you need to go to their website and enter your information and stuff, and using your account you can link your Klarna account from their website to your Shopify store, which is very easy. Just follow these steps and you will be there. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and link Klarna payment method to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.